this video, you're gonna learn 50 very practical adverbs of French that you need to know in order to use in your daily conversations. So take your pen and a piece of paper to jot them down. 50 very practical adverbs in French. Starting with the most heard one. The first one is bien, meaning well, okay. Next one is très, meaning very. Like très bien, meaning very well. Beaucoup, beaucoup means a lot. Assez, meaning enough. D'abord means first or firstly. The opposite is enfin. Enfin means finally, at last. Encore means again, and sometimes it means still, yet. Encore. Déjà means already. Déjà. So if you heard about the word déjà vu, it means already seen, something that you had already observed. Ensuite means then, next. En même temps. En même temps means at the same time. Temps means time and même means same. En même temps, at the same time. Plus meaning more, and the opposite is moins, less. Maintenant, right now, at the moment. Jamais. Jamais means never. Jadis. Jadis means in the olden days or long, long ago. Te, early. And the antonym of te is tard. Tard means late. Toujours. Always. All the time. Souvent, meaning often, most of the time. Parfois. Parfois means occasionally. And there's also quelquefois, which means sometimes. Vraiment, meaning really, actually. Tellement means so, like a lot. Seulement, meaning only. Certainement, meaning definitely. Trop means too much of something. Aussi means also. Pourtant means yet, although. Même, which I mentioned before, it also means even. Même, even. Donc means so, therefore. Mal, badly, in a bad way. Mieux means better, in a good way. Ensemble means all together. Ensemble. Surtout, especially, above all. Plutôt means rather. Sans arrêt means non-stop, because sans means without. So sans doute means without any doubt. Definitely. I'm sure you heard about this one. Bien sûr means of course. Sure. Peut-être means perhaps, maybe. Heureusement. Heureusement means fortunately, luckily. And the opposite is malheureusement. Malheureusement means unfortunately. Par hasard. Par hasard means by chance, by occasion. Exactement, as it seems, means exactly. And finally, tout à coup. Tout à coup means suddenly, all of a sudden. If you're interested in the list of very practical things of French by Septalk, I have also another video that you can click to watch here. That is a list of 40 very useful verbs in French. You can watch it and jot them down also if you like.